Alright guys, what is going on? Today is the day we are working on the Mazda, getting those new brakes on, and Sam's here.
Hi.
Hey. What's up? Oh my, are you serious? Approved. What are you doing?
I'm making it faster. Adds 10 horsepower.
Look at that. Octane boost.
Completely just, it's like scaled up better.
Finally got the old rotor off, the old caliper. About to clean this off and put the new caliper on. Got it all done, and now I got it bolted back on and do the other side. I'm kind of talking like this with the lights in my face, and I'm trying to like, I don't know.
I just hope it works.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay. What? I gotta say, that's actually not bad.
Whoa!
Go get it.
I have a paper.
Getting started on the other side. Side all done. We haven't blowed the brakes yet, but and cleaning all this off. About to get the caliper reassembled, like a good old coat.
You already, see, here's the thing. You already have power.
Say bye, Tina. Tina. Tina.
The other side's all done. We're about to get ready to bleed. We're just.
I put my, this was all in my Jeep too.
Got Chris here now.
Yeah. We're trying to get this up. What's going on now, guys?
I'm tired as fuck. I'm just trying
Fuck this car. I have a new hate for Mazda.
Take off the reject society sticker off the Honda.
Yeah, we can put it on this motherfucker. Easy.
You guys go take it off.
Go get a fucking razor blade.
I don't have a fucking razor blade.
Well, fucking fine.
Trying to save me, stop holding
I hope you enjoyed this video. We're all gonna have a great night.
Have a great night. Peace out.
Chris is out there saying goodbye too. You don't hear him, but oh, he's in the bathroom. Should I go down there and be like, hey, say goodbye? Yo.
Please.
All right, guys.
Out of my face.
We'll see you on the next episode. See ya.
Oh.
Woo! Look at that.
All right.